So the third program in my code challenge is find the string in the list. Okay, let me take the string list1 equal to list1 equal to 0 and 1, 2, 4, one boolean value and Raj. So this is my list. So S is equal to Raju. Is the string is available in the particular list or not? We want to find. So this is the first way we want to find this. There is multiple ways to find the way. There is a first way I'm telling. If as in list1 print the boolean value. So the what is the value is the string particular string is available or not, we can find. And found element in the list. Not found element. So this is the first way. Raju, the element found in the list. If you change the existing element to Raju1, Raju1 not found the element in the list. This is the one way we can find the list of the particular string available in the list. There is alternative second way also is there. We can able to find the alternative method is that if list1 dot count of yes is available or not. Available means we can print the same thing. We can find print f found a element in the list second way. Else print f not found the element. So this is the second way alternate. So another third way also is that we can do compare equal to I for I in list1 if yes in list1 the string which is yes is available in the list1 or not we want to compare based on this one we want to iterate the list of the element list1 contains all the elements iterate to the I. Okay, iterating I. So this each and every element we are comparing the list1 is available or not we are verifying. If it is available, return the value. If len of compare greater than 0, print f the element. I am going to print the actual string value from the element in the list in third way. This is another way. Print not from the element. Change Raju one to Raju. So Raju is the element found in the list one, first way, second way also, third way also. If you are making changes to Raju to the Ramesh, the element available on it we are verifying. Ramesh not found the element in the all the three types. This is the way, three alternative ways to find the string in the list. Okay. One is the if condition, find if string in list or not. And count method, the list of occurrences available in this one more than 0 means the available. Otherwise, can write a lambda function to iterate using the for loop to find the length of this one. Because if it is occurrence only one time, also it is available. These are three ways. Okay, thank you.